Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this skull mask. Paper mache, spackle, using stain and spray paint for the cosmetics. It also has a rotating jaw. Let's get started. Alright, so what you're going to do and need is some plastic wrap, whether it be just that standard foil wrap that you can, or plastic wrap for kitchen stuff, wrapping up leftover food, or this construction wrap for wrapping up materials and whatnot. You need some tape. Wide tape would be the best. If not, just use regular tape. Now onto the mannequin head. You don't need one, but it's recommended. Or you could go check out the video that I made on how to make your own mannequin head. This is version 1, and sooner or later I'm going to make version 2.
Okay, so I decided to wrap the head with the plastic, and I thought I could just do it in pieces. In fact, it was just easier just to wrap it around layer by layer and just kind of accept that. Okay, then I took some blue tape, blue masking tape, some wide masking tape, and kind of did an outline of what I wanted the mask to look like and shape it from there. Went around the eyes, the nose, and all that, and I put a strap along the back to act as a strap, so it would just stay intact as a rough guide. Now I'm going over it with a marker, just kind of roughing out the idea of what I want the mask to look like. Now I'm mixing the paper mache, 1 cup of water, half a cup of flour, and half a cup of glue.
Flour if you need to the mix. But without further ado, let's get started.
Now you just want to layer all the paper mache on top of the paper, get it nice and wet, squeeze out as much as you can, and just do layer by layer. Let it dry before you do your next layers of paper. Here I'm just testing how hard it is, and it was a bit difficult to get off, so I did have to cut the back of it to get it off. Taking out the plastic from the eye holes and the nose so I could breathe and see a little bit more clearly. Now testing it on here, it looks pretty good, but that wasn't the final shape.
Okay, so got a mask here. Works pretty well. Don't have it fully hinged yet.
Now the final form. So I put some foam teeth in there, and it didn't work out as well as I wanted. So next time I'll have to come up with a better way. The articulation works pretty well compared to bot mask. It's not the best, but it's pretty good. It's fun.
Okay, so I grabbed some pink mud here for just basic repair and whatnot for drywall.
So I didn't know what to use for a covering or a good texture for a skull, so I found some pink mud lying around, and this is typically meant for drywall repair and all that, but it turned out pretty good. After I sanded it and painted it, there was this weird texture of making it had a feeling of rubber to me after the spray paint and the clear coat went on. After it dried,
probably wise to use gloves. I don't have gloves.
Okay, now for the patina or the aging. I just found some stain that was lying around, and you should wear gloves. At least have ventilation. I had neither, so I just had a glove that I had to use with one hand because I took the straps off. But just kind of wipe it on and wipe it off. I did the whole thing. You don't have to. You could just do parts. You can just do crevices and all that, but it looks pretty funky to me.
A lot of lights.
And just testing out how it fits again. Finished form. And it looks pretty good.
Alright everybody, that's the video for how to make a DIY skull mask. I think it turned out pretty well, in my opinion. A few things I could improve on, obviously, here and there. But the jaw that rotates up and down, that looks pretty good. Now, you can skip that step and just add, and just keep the top half, which still looks really good. It fits really nice, and it attaches even with the simplest of rubber bands or straps from the mask that I use the straps from. For my first time making a mask of any sort for any prop or costume, I think it's pretty good, especially for this Halloween season. I don't really like spending money on useless stuff such as props or costume pieces when you can make it yourself easily with all the materials, usually at home. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And have a happy Halloween. Stay safe.